What is linear regression? Linear regression is a type of statistical modeling technique used to establish a relationship between a dependent variable and one or more independent variables. It is used to predict the value of the dependent variable based on the values of the independent variables. In linear regression, a straight line, or hyperplane in the case of multiple independent variables, is fitted to the data points in order to model the relationship between the independent and dependent variables. This line is referred to as the regression line, and the equation of this line is used to make predictions about the dependent variable. The basic idea behind linear regression is to find the line that best fits the data, which is done by minimizing the sum of the squared differences between the actual values of the dependent variable and the predicted values based on the regression line. This is known as the method of least squares. Linear regression is commonly used in various fields, including economics, finance, marketing, and social sciences, to analyze and predict relationships between variables. It can be used to analyze trends in data, make forecasts, and identify patterns and relationships between variables. Overall, linear regression is a powerful tool that can help us better understand the relationships between different variables and make predictions based on these relationships.